Today Dan has had 2 extractions at the dentist, poor baby. So I'm going to make a rhubarb compote with some of the rhubarb from our garden. I've washed this. Always remember to wash your fruit and veggies. It's especially important as well when you get it from the supermarket. There are 1 or 2 supermarkets at the moment who are selling fruit with a peel on, A-P-E-E-L, which is one of the forever toxins, and it's supposed to be designed to help protect fruit and veggies, stop it going off, keep it looking nice, but it's potentially highly toxic, and even if you wash the fruit and veggies thoroughly, it won't always come off. So it's increasingly important to, wherever possible, buy local, shop local, and if possible, grow your own, or support your local farm shop or other independent grocer. I'm chopping the rhubarb, and there's rather a lot of it, into pieces about 2 centimetres, and this will be poached. Don't worry if there's some stringy bits, you can just cut those off. Place the rhubarb into a largish pan. This has a heavy bottom base. It helps for more even cooking. I've got a little water in here, it doesn't need a lot. I'm going to cut a small orange in half and add some juice. I don't add sugar, I prefer to just add orange juice. And I'm going to now add some ginger. This is frozen. Ideally you would add maybe 2 centimetres of chopped root ginger. Chop it finely. I don't have any. This is pre-prepared chopped root ginger, and it works just as well. If you don't have anything like that, you could add half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of ground ginger to your liking. This is on a low flame and it will now do its own thing. It will probably take around about 5 to 10 minutes. The rhubarb is nice and soft now. I've taken it off the heat and allowing it to cool. This allows the natural sugars, the fructose, to release as it cools. But I'm going to add just a little bit of honey, just to give it a little bit of extra sweetness. Give that a shake. You can have it warm, you can have it chilled, you can have it room temperature. I will then plate it up. I've got a little bit of my homemade rhubarb cake left. I'm going to cut this in 2. Put it in a bowl with some of the lovely rhubarb on the side. This is room temperature now, and see how lovely and thick it's got. And this is full fat Greek style yoghurt. You can use coconut yoghurt if you prefer, or just normal low fat or full fat yoghurt. A little spoon of that on there, and finish it off with another drizzle of honey. So there it is, my delicious poached rhubarb with honey and Greek yoghurt and a little bit of rhubarb cake.